resistance kind of push it and then put it back in. I think it's maxed out, but you kind of notice the brake pads. Look at the brake pads. Look at this. It might be maxed out. So look. So I'm gonna try to put this in, see if it's gonna make a difference. Probably not, man. Just because caliper's not pushing all the way in. It's kinda, unless the caliper is locked up with max. Because see this rotor right here? See that rotor? The rotor is so bad. Look. Look. See that? So you might have a bad caliper, guys. Yeah. What do you guys think, guys? Stuck. All right, we're gonna remove this other side, which is the left side. All right, let's see. Yep, I don't hit it. I hit it from the side of the tires, so the wheel will come right up easily. So it's doing the same thing on this side. Alright, by the way, this one right here is 17 millimeter. We remove this caliper from. You might have some bigger problem on this brake, just because the rotor is showing some uneven wear, and also the brake pads, and it seems like the brake pad's not touching the rotor much, and then it's building a lot of rust. And I found out on the right rear side, the caliper is not. I'm trying to push the caliper in. You want to push all the way in, so it looks like it's stuck or frozen. You might have a bad caliper, guys. Now, it looks like this one's been replaced. This caliper been replaced before. Because why do I say it's been replaced? Because look, they look pretty new. So we're gonna try to see this caliper if you can push it in. And I'm gonna move. So we know for sure the right side will not push in. It was maxed out, I believe. So if this one can push in, you know, it could be the caliper is okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let's push it in, guys. Take a look. See? They got it pushed in. Check it out. See, that thing is all the way in. It's maxed in. So we know this caliper is good and look like it's been replaced before also. Just because this one right here, look, this is not old. This look brand new. Look like that caliper been replaced. So this is the one right here I'm trying to say, guys. I was trying to push this caliper, we not push at all. See that? It's stuck. So we might have some caliper problem here, guys. That's why look at the brake pads. These brake pads, look at this. So the sliding pin is fine. Is the caliper himself is the problem. Yep. So we're gonna try to replace this caliper, guys. That's the bad news for the customer. Yep. At least we found out why it's causing this issue right here. And the brake pad's not touching, and the brake pads still look new. Still got a lot of meat in it. And then I don't think that's This is not normal at all. So we're gonna try to, good thing we found out the problem, guys. So we're gonna change the brake pads, rotors, and a caliper on the right rear. So this is the brake pads right here, guys. Brake pads and rotors, and we're using this CRC brake caliper grease, and also CRC disc brake quieter. Yep. If you ever had this problem right here, guys, and you're having this type of issue on your vehicles, make sure you check your caliper and also your sliding pin, because that could be the problem right there. I thought it was the sliding pin was stuck, but it wasn't. It's the caliper himself. The piston will not go all the way in. That's why it's not braking correctly. Yep. So if you find this car interesting and you learn something, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me more for more video. Great. Yep. Thank you, man. So we found out a problem right here, guys. Quick fix on 2007 Toyota Tundra.